Adventurers, this is our second summer out here on Claremore Lake with Daisy Rentals doing a little kayaking. They've also got canoes and a tandem kayak. We're just, soaking up some sun out here, trying to remember all things kayaking and making sure that we stay above water, right?
Yep. So this is the first weekend that they are offering their kayak and canoe rentals. So we decided to get out here because it was time to get back out on the lake. It's a little chilly today, but Oklahoma does heat up quite a bit. So I feel like it was more windy when we were over there, and then it kind of feel like it's just a nice lake breeze now. But we are out here in the lake. I'm so excited, and I love doing this, and I love that they have this available as something to do. So let's go kayaking.
Oh, look at the view. Nothing but water all around. Such a nice day out here. Look at this. It's a little windy, water's a little choppy, but it's perfect. Couldn't ask for a nicer day. What's your favorite part about kayaking?
It's just so calming. I don't know. It's very relaxing. I know it looks like it's a bit of a workout, but I really don't feel like it's that much of a workout. So I feel like it just kind of allows you to take a deep breath and remember that, life might be a little chaotic most of the time, a lot of the time, or some of the time, but getting out here just makes you kind of feel chill.
Hello adventurers, welcome back to our channel. We are here at Claremore Lake today, and we are with Jordan with Daisy Rentals, Kayaks, and more. So tell us a little bit about your business.
Okay, well, we've got it made. So we've got exclusive rights to renting kayaks and canoes here at Claremore Lake. This is our 4th season.
Oh,
so
nice.
Really excited. And it's pretty straightforward. We just show up and make you guys have a great adventure. We've got the kayaks, we've got the paddles, the life jackets, the whistles, and that's what we do.
So how did you get into this? Have you been like kayaking and canoeing your whole life, or is this like a newer thing? Or
I wish I could say that. I would say this kind of came from a dream in reverse. So the city of Claremore was wanting to bring kayak rentals to the lake, and I was told about the opportunity, and it just made me excited. Me excited to think about Claremore having something cool like this. I had been kayaking before, obviously many times, but never super seriously. And I was like, yeah, I think we can do this. And so I told Mikey all about it. He was excited about it. And we just figured, why not? So we applied for the RFP. We were granted the contract with the city, and that has stayed on each year. And so we've just kind of created around that. And I knew I always wanted to do something that was creative and outdoorsy, but also brought something positive to people's lives. And I knew it would be something that people would enjoy. So we kind of created the dream around the opportunity, but it wasn't something we ever intended on doing.
Oh, that's awesome. I love when a plan comes together like that. So as far as kayaking or canoeing goes, kind of what's like the age that people can kind of get into that, or Is it like an all ages thing, or how does it work?
Yeah, we feel like it's all ages, but we feel like people know their kids and their people the best. So we've had our son kayaking since he was a little teeny tiny guy. We just make sure it's safe for him, have him in a life jacket that fits him, and make sure we're telling him about what it's going to be like and setting expectations. But some people's kids maybe would be a little more fearful, or it maybe isn't something that would be up their wheelhouse. But to independently kayak, we say about 12 is the age. Sometimes kids around 8 are good to kayak alone, but usually in a tandem or in the canoe, really any age can be with their loved one, their parent or their guardian, and they'll still have a good time.
And you guys do provide all the equipment. I'm outfitted here with the life jacket. You've got the phone pouches. You've got basically everything that somebody would need to go out on the water and do it safely. And also, you know, if your phone falls in the lake, you've got it protected.
Yes, it will float, so you can
gear.
still take your selfies and make your phone calls or listen to your music while you're out there, whatever you're wanting to do. We just say, just show up with a good attitude and be ready to adventure, and we cover the rest.
Sweet. So you've been out here for 4 years now. Kind of what is your favorite part about Claremore Lake?
Oh, I've always loved Claremore Lake. I've lived in Claremore pretty much my whole life. When I very first started driving, I would come out here and just sit in my car and just enjoy the lake and look at everything. I love all the wildlife, and honestly, the people that work at the lake are really cool. All the lake rangers are super cool. It just is such a hidden gem, I feel like, in our community. It's so beautiful, and there's a lot of other stuff to do. It's fun to run here and to check out the splash pads and the playgrounds. They do lots of community events here, like fishing derbies and Gator Fest. And
Gator Fest.
I just love it all.
Does that mean there's gators in the lake?
There was once.
Oh, gee. Not anymore. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Don't worry about
but
it.
now they do celebrate. They named him Al E. Gator. Each year they have a big festival. This year it's supposed to be pretty legit. I think it's on May 8th or 9th. But the people that run that are really cool. They come out, have a lot of vendors set up, and music, live music, and it's cool. But yes, there was once long ago.
Once.
But people kayak all over the world with wildlife, and most wildlife is not really interested in us. So, but they're not in anymore. The lake rangers check all the time, but.
Yeah, I think this is gator proof right here.
Yeah.
So you'll be perfectly fine.
You can only hope.
We've been out here the last 2 years. So this will be our second year that we've come out here and just enjoyed your kayaks and everything. Never had any issues with the gator, so don't be worried about that.
Thank goodness.
The water out here is really fantastic. I mean, it's nice every single time we come out here. Sometimes you get a nice breeze like we have today, which really helps, but we've also been out here, you know, on those 100-degree days when it's just cooking out there. But you've got from now until kind of, when's the end of the season?
Halloween Day is our last day. So due to duck hunting and different things that happen on the lake, we're open from April 1st to the last day of October, which is Halloween. And then we do Halloween floats and all the things. But yeah.
So you're
October.
From holiday to holiday.
Yep.
You got April Fools to Halloween.
Yeah, April Fools to Halloween. We
both
love
of the mischief holidays.
That's right.
That's
We're
great.
pretty mischievous. Yeah.
That's awesome. So, you know, we've kind of gone over a lot of it. Is there anything that you would like to say to people to come down here to kind of encourage them to check out the lake?
Yeah, I believe in getting outside and spending some time in nature. And so if that's something that you're into and you've never kayaked before, or you love kayaking, I feel like this is the thing you need to try out. So definitely, Danny and Sawyer have got a code, McPeek Adventures, all year, $5 off any rentals. And that's even if you rent five off of each one. And we just love meeting new people and having people experience this. We've never had someone come off a kayak and not be so happy when they get back. And so we want to see that happiness in you guys. So yeah,
that's awesome.
Excited to meet some new people and so glad to see you guys again.
Oh, definitely. So how do people book their kayaking or canoeing adventure?
Yeah, we're book ahead, super simple. We've got a website, Daisy Kayaks Claremore. If you have any trouble on there, you can always text or call me, but book ahead. We've got lots of options for the singles, the tandem, and the canoe. Yeah, that way you can pick the time that's best for you, and then we'll be here ready to have you.
All right. Well, thank you so much for doing this interview with us.
Of course. Thank you guys.
Adventurers, we can't wait for you to come out here, get on the kayaks, get in a canoe, come check out Claremore Lake and rent with Daisy Rentals. You will have a great time, and we will see you on our next adventure.